In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign conditional routing to send envelopes to the right person. 5 minutes. We're going to set up a simple, reliable flow that routes your envelope based on a choice a signer makes. This helps you avoid manual forwarding and keeps your process fast and accurate. Start by logging into your Docusign account. From there, head to Templates and create a new template. Add the document or documents you plan to send. Templates are great because you configure the logic once and reuse it, so take a moment to name the template clearly for your team. Next, add your recipients. Pay close attention to the order. Recipient routing in Docusign follows the sequence you set. So the first recipient should be the person who will make the choice that determines where the envelope goes next. If you need someone to receive it only after that decision, place them later in the order. Now place a trigger field on the document for the first recipient to complete. This can be a drop-down or radio button group. Keep the options clear and mutually exclusive, and make the field required so the signer can't skip it. For example, you might label it Department and offer options like Finance, Legal, or HR. If using radio buttons, set them to allow only one selection. With the trigger field selected, open its Properties panel. Look for the Conditional Fields section and choose Create Rule. This is where you connect the value selected in the trigger field to who gets the envelope next. You'll define logic like if the field equals finance, route to the finance recipient. Repeat for each value you intend to support. Be precise with the text of each value. The condition must match exactly. Set the rule so that when the chosen value is selected, the conditional recipient you've already added to the template receives the envelope at the appropriate step. If multiple values map to different people, add additional conditions, each pointing to its specific recipient. Keep your conditions organized and double check that every possible option has a route. Before you use the template, open Preview, pretend you're the first recipient, and select different values in the trigger field to confirm the document routes the way you expect. If something isn't right, return to your rule and adjust the conditions or recipient mapping. Once everything looks good, you're ready to use the template with confidence and let Docusign handle the routing automatically.